What's up, gentlemen? So today's video falls under the category of I am such an idiot sometimes. So this past weekend, I got into a huge fight with my wife. Have you ever said something, right, and it's like before the words like leave your lips completely, you realize what you're doing and you try to like grab them back and stuff and it just doesn't work? Yeah, that happened this weekend. We're in the car and my wife's like, why do we always have to listen to your music? And I said, because my music doesn't suck. Oh, exactly. No, just don't think exactly. It was a long car ride. Gentlemen, today in an attempt to help you not make the same mistake I did, today I'm going over 7 things women wished all men would do. So the truth is that women are a little bit crazy, mysterious, beautiful, and seductive, but a little bit loco. And trying to apply guy logic to the female brain is an exercise in futility. But there are 7 things that I personally feel they're justified in wanting us to do. All starting with number 1, which is being proud that we're with them. You gotta make her feel it, gentlemen. She wants to feel like she is your queen and you will be treated as a king. This is actually a fact. The deal is this, gentlemen, you gotta act like you love her. You gotta act like you're proud to be with her. You wanna hold her hand. You wanna open doors. You wanna not look, actually, you wanna look at her super sassy friend Janice, but you don't because you know it'll make your girl upset and she'll be like, yo, why are you checking out Janice? And you're like, baby, I didn't. When she knows and you know you did, so you shouldn't. She wants to feel special and it's your job as a man and her man in order to make it happen. And one of the ways you do that is the second thing that all women want all men to do, which is introduce her to their friends. But it's not just your friends, it's anybody that you're talking to when you're with your significant other. Now, if you don't know the person's name that you're talking to, what I would say a boss move is just to say, excuse me, what was your name again? I'm sorry, I forget, and they'll tell you their name, and then right away, bang, you introduce them to your spicy ass senorita. But if you should know their name, what I'd recommend is develop some type of like code with your significant other, where if she knows that if you tap her like 2 times or you grab her butt, develop some sort of secret code so that she doesn't get pissed at you and she knows to step in, introduce herself to the person. That way she then will get his name, you can hear it and be like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so rude, right? It saves your ass, it lets her know you're not just an ignorant dick. Third thing that every woman wants in a man is for him to know what to do in the bedroom. But here's the thing, right? You're thinking to yourself, damn, Alpha, what am I, a mind reader? You watch porn, you're like, yo, does this feel good? And you jam a camera up her butt. The answer is no, probably not, just in the movies. But the reality is this, you need to be man enough to figure it out. How are you gonna figure it out? You're gonna ask. So what's your favorite fill in the blank? How do you like whatever? Do you like it fast? Do you like it slow? Do you like it hard? Do you like it rough? Do you like it soft and touchy and kissy? Do you like to kiss during, like whatever? Gentlemen, figure it out. It's also a great way to flirt and build the sexual tension. The 4th thing that all women want guys to do is listen to their music sometimes. So this was the thing that got me in so much trouble this week. My wife loves country music. I am not a huge country music fan. I like other stuff. I like rap. I like techno. I like metal. I like pretty much everything other than country. And so she got super pissed off at me, but the compromise is that every other time we get in the car, we'll listen to her music. The times when we listen to her music, I pop in my Raycons and listen to my own. Raycon, today's video sponsor and the best bang for your wireless earbud buck. Gentlemen, I've talked about Raycon before, and the reason is because they are the best. Check it out. Have you ever seen a sexier, more stylish, more compact, discreet wireless earbud? Gentlemen, all the other things on the market are all big, hooked around your ear, dangling out. They're definitely not sexy, all right? I gotta take these out because I'm probably yelling. Raycon was started by Ray J. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg, Cardi B, Melissa Etheridge are obsessed with their Raycons. Guys, Raycons come in a variety of different fun colors along with different styles, all right? Check out this super sleek charging carrying case. This thing is insane. Guys, these are the E25s. They're the best model yet, right? On a single charge, you get 6 hours of continuous play. Seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, a more compact design, and the fit options, guys, are ridiculous, right? The Raycons are amazing. And the beautiful thing, guys, is that they start at about half the price of other premium wireless earbuds. The other thing that you're gonna notice when you grab a pair of Raycons, guys, is the sound quality. It is insane. Whether or not you're listening to music, you're talking on the phone, these things are amazing. They're the best earbuds that I own, and they come with me everywhere. I wear these bad boys when I'm working out. I wear them when I'm running, when I'm walking, when I'm working, when I'm talking on the phone, or when my girl's driving and we're listening to country music. I'm telling you, guys, you are going to love your Raycons. Super affordable. And right now, guys, if you hit our special link down below, it gets even better because they're giving you 15% off on an already amazingly priced product. Guys, hit the link down below. buyraycon.com/alpha-m to get 15% off your new amazing wireless earbuds. The fifth thing that women want all men to do is have a bedroom that doesn't smell like ass. Gentlemen, what I've come to realize is that a lot of us bachelors aren't the greatest when it comes to providing an inviting environment for a spicy senorita to come and hang out with. And so what I would recommend is regularly change your sheets, all right? Another pro Alpha M tip is a scented candle, all right? 1 or 2 scented candles around the room is an amazing way to create a sort of seductive vibe that isn't too like overpowering like Febreze, all right? Every woman knows if you just like sprayed a bunch of Febreze everywhere. Febreze kind of stinks. And your bathroom, let's talk about your bathroom real quick, all right? So here's the deal. Assuming that you are going to eventually have somebody over to your place, she may want to go to the bathroom, freshen up a little bit, make sure that she smells okay. Goes to the bathroom, she looks at your toilet, and if you've got a bunch of pubes, all right, yeah, exactly, pubes on your toilet seat, you got pee, you got poop, like splattered places, gentlemen, automatically she goes from super caliente to like ice cold, gentlemen, because she's turned off because you're a filthy animal. Gentlemen, don't be a filthy animal. The sixth thing that women want from a man is for him to be chivalrous. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, in a nutshell, it means that when you're out with her, you should open the door, right? But that's basic stuff. You're not a noob. You know that you should open the door, both when you're going in a building or when you're going into a car, right? When she walks up to the car, be like, no, baby, just a second. You run, scamper up ahead, be like, go ahead, my queen, get your ass in, shut the door. But just make sure all of her appendages are in the car before shutting the door. Unlike what I did that time, I broke that girl's hand because it was up here. I slammed it, yeah, exactly. But we still made out. Who's the boss? And last but certainly not least, should be first. The seventh thing that all women want all men to do continuously is tell them they look pretty. You look pretty. You look beautiful. You look amazing. That ass of yours, are you kidding me? It's killing me, right? Over and over and over and over and over. Gentlemen, it never gets old. One of the problems that I have had, and I'm just gonna be completely honest, is sometimes when you've been dating a while, you've been married a while, I've been with my wife a long time, you get comfortable. And when you get comfortable, you forget to do the little things that matter. And for a woman, from what I understand, it is incredibly important for her to feel beautiful and for you to think that she is. When you first start dating, it's like, oh my God, you're amazing, you're beautiful, you're incredible, I can't believe I'm the luckiest guy in the world, oh my God, you're a spicy ass meatball. Well, then you start dating, then you get married, then you hang out for a while, and you get a little bit lazy. I'm assuming. Not assuming. I'm telling it to you like it is, because the reality is this. Relationships take work. It's critical that you keep the romance going. You keep the flame burning, gentlemen, because if not, her coworker Brad is going to come sniffing around your action. He's going to be like, oh my God, you're a spicy meatball, because to him, she is. You got to let her know that you think she's beautiful, because if she stops feeling special, if you stop making her feel beautiful, her ass is going to be cheating on you with Brad.